great little spot right here with the middle finger on the second fret of the G string right there that comes from this. And so I'm hitting that note on the second fret right there, then sliding up a whole step. And that carries on to this box. 3 on the B, 5 on the B, on the high E, on the high E. So middle finger, second fret of the G, pick, then slide. Then index is going to be on the third of the B, and I'm going to hit that real quick back to that fourth on the G. So it looks like this. Middle finger again, but slide back to the second fret. And then this is going to be a cool bluesy thing where we're adding the major third of the E chord here. We're hammering on from the open G to the first of the G. So you put that together. After that, we're going to go middle finger on the second fret of the D string, which is the root, the E note.